On this short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook login problem. So if you have any problem with the login, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds and disable it again. After that, you have to go down, open the apps manager like this. On this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So, what you want to do here is very simple. Wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Facebook. Click on it and then click here on the internal storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on data usage, make sure that all those options are enabled. Go back again and click on this force stop, and now all what you have to do is restart your phone and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.